Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to unprivate your TikTok account. So right now if your TikTok account is private and you want to gain more followers, so watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on your profile from the right bottom. Once you will do it, you will see page like this. Now from the right top you have to click on the three lines here. Okay, once you will do it, you will see this type of the menu. So you have to click on the privacy, second option, click on it, and here you will see private account option. So right now private account is turned on, so turn off this toggle and click on the confirm. So now your account is not private anymore. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.